Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about article, that is definite article the. So it has been divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Please check my playlist where you will find article a and an, and as well as omission of articles. Now we have the definite article, that is the. As we can see, articles we have a, an and the. So let us see what exactly be given in this article the. Before definite nouns, towards which we can point out the nouns that we can particular person, thing, pointing someone stressly. So prior to this, the definite article the can be used before particular person, thing, pointing someone or stressly. Like examples we have, she is the girl who sings ghazal. Who sings ghazal? She is the girl. So this is the main reason why we have stressed on her as the girl. The man in white shirt is my brother. Whoever is in white shirt, he is my brother, because there is a stress in that word pointing something or someone. As you can see to the right, points of compass, unions of countries, groups of islands, that is archipelago, you can tell. So as you can see, whatever has been given, the northernmost, the Russian Federation, the Bahamas, these are all various things where I can use the word the Mediterranean, the Gulf Stream, the Great Lakes. In front of all, we can use the prior to that. So let us see what has been given in next. A person or place is mentioned in a sentence for comparative purpose. He is a Ram of modern India. So he has compared as a Ram of modern India. So here, whoever is a person is compared for the purpose. He is a Hitler. So these are all various things where you have to remember. He had used he is a Hitler, but he is the Hitler of modern India also can be used. But here it is mentioned only he is a Hitler. He is not specifically informed or compared. Used before the names of a few places. I told you the Great Britain, the Netherlands, the Ukraine. Prior to few places we can use the. Before the names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, these are all the mountains where we can use the. So as you can see to the right, the used to give information about particular person are known. Here as you can see how exactly it has been used in this slide to the right side of this slide. Next we have the used with the nationality, that is the English speak English. Here the English is the language, speak the English is the Britishers, speak is the English. So here the English speak English. So whoever the English, they are Britishers, speak English. That is what the main intention behind that. The English defeated the French. The Britishers defeated the French. This is the what exactly. Before mentioning the nationality, we can use the definite article the. Next we have the used with the diseases. There are few diseases where we can use the definite article the. The measles, the rickets, the mumps, the plague, the flu, where we can use the before to the diseases, but not all the diseases. If I say malaria, I have to use only malaria. If I say typhoid, I cannot use the typhoid, I can use only typhoid. So there are few diseases where I can use the prior to the diseases. The is placed after one of, each of, neither of, either of, none of, every one of, etc. So it is followed by that. One of the boys is absent, either of the men was present. This is the way you have to use the, followed by the follows always one of, each of, neither of. As you can see to the right how exactly the can used, you can directly go through whatever has been given for your extra knowledge. Please pause it and you can directly go through. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends, where you will find 800 plus question papers. Next we have before the names of the commission. We knew that the Verma commission is still functioning. The Balwant Rai commission, the Balwant Rai committee, these are all where we can use definite article the in it. Next we have comparative degree if it is used for two or it is used in parallel. The more you labor, the more you gain. So this is one thing which is comparative degree has been used. The more you work hard, the merrier you will get succeeded. So here the way the comparison has been taken place, there you can directly use the definite articles. Here we have the definite article, the inventions, wherever the inventions, superlatives, unique, group of people, double comparatives, plural names, mountain ranges, seas and oceans, all these are all definite article uses. You can directly go through the slide whatever has been given. Next we have two proper nouns are compared. We use definite article before the last proper noun. So here we have to remember that Sachin is the Lara of India. Two proper nouns are compared here. We use the definite article before the last proper noun. Here the proper noun is Lara. So here whatever the first proper noun is Sachin, there we can't use that. Sachin is the Lara of India. So here Sachin, later he has come. Lara was just prior to him. So Sachin is compared with the Lara. That is the reason Sachin is the Lara of India has been given. Before physical positions with the cardinal, that is numbers, that is points, ordinal, that is first. As you can see, we should remember that cardinal point and ordinal, there are different two things. What exactly the cardinals? That is numbers. Ordinals means first, the positions. So he has achieved the first or the last rank in his class. Please remember, cardinals means 1, 2, 3, they are numbers. Ordinals means the position, that is first, second, so the rank whatever is given. So before physical positions with the cardinal, he has achieved the first, the last rank in his class. So this was one of the best way of using the definite article the. Next we have prior measurements. How we measure prior measurements, prior caste and communities. He is the Vishwa Brahmin or the Aryan. So these are the few where caste and communities we have to use the before to the caste and communities. When common noun used as superlative, when it is the common noun used by using as superlative, Rohit is the tallest and best boy of his school. Here the tallest which is given as superlative, prior to the superlatives compulsorily the has to be used. Next we have our best prize is to go there. So overall whatever has been given here, we can use the superlative degree. For the superlative degree we can use the article the. As you can see, geographical names, direction, regions, the north, the south, unions of countries, as you can told, as I already discussed, the United States of America, the United Kingdom, groups of islands, the Philippines, the seas, the Mediterranean Sea, gulfs, the Gulf Stream, the Great Lakes, the Danube River, the Amazon, canals and channels, the English Channel, the Panama Canal. These are all few examples where the can be easily used. I request you guys to check playlist. You will find near about 900 plus question papers for various examinations that will be very useful. Prior adjectives, same, at the same time, whole and the whole. So wherever the adjectives are there, at the same time can be used. Here whole, on the whole can be used. After all, he was our batchmate. Both the parties have come to conclusion. So here we have to remember that whenever there is a double usage, that is exactly the same, just the case. So where I can use the definite article. Here whatever has been given, after all he was our batchmate, both the parties, so both had been followed by the parties. So where we can use the definite article the in it. So in the same double is exactly the same, just the case. These are all the situations where we can use the definite article the. Prior a common noun to give it the sense of an abstract. Here examples, feelings, quality where we can use the have the same feelings. It is the same, it is of the same quality. Prior inventions, the TV, the radio had been invented, so where we can use the definite article. Please remember whatever I am telling. If you don't remember once, I request you guys to go back and again come back whatever has been discussed. These are all few examples. After this, you don't get any doubt in any kind of articles. Name of professions used, collectives, the press, the bench, the jury. These are all professions used as collective noun. Here the organs, the lungs, the liver, the kidneys, the heart, wherever the organs are there, where we can directly use only the specific definite article. And the means of travel: airways, trains, ships, submarines, helicopters, rockets, satellites. These are all the Jet Airways, the Intercity Express, the Titanic, the Arihant, the Chetak, the GSLV or Aryabhatta, whatever has been given, these are all to be remembered with the definite article. Next we have geographical items, as I had told, in front of the rivers, that is the Yamuna, seas, the Arabian Sea, mountain ranges, the Himalayas or Alps, oceans, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, group of islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, heavenly objects, the sun, the Venus, lakes, the Caspian Sea, volcanoes, the Etna and barren land. Here we have whatever the prior the rivers, seas, mountain ranges, oceans, group of islands, heavenly objects, lakes, volcanoes, bays, deserts, whatever has been given prior to that, we can directly use the in front of those words. Geographical items, as you can see, plains we have Godavari plain, plates we have, poles we have North Pole, South Pole, forests, waterfalls, imaginary lines, the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn, direction in space, as you can already discussed, planets, stars and constellation, asteroids, where we can directly use the in it. I hope this chapter is very helpful for you for your examinations. So you can call me on mobile 7667302252 if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. If you have any queries, you can call me. This is one of the finest way of giving you information. There is one more part 2 of the definite article the. So please wait for that, and I am doing my best for your preparation. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.